So hi friend, this is Amit and you are watching my channel Information and Educational Video. So in this video I will talk about JOSA Counseling 2021, that is the complete cutoff analysis. As you all know, the round 2 cutoff is announced now. So here I will do the complete analysis and I will provide you the rank versus expected IIT by taking the reference from the second round and what you can expect up to the 6th round, that is the rank versus expected IIT branch wise up to 6th round what you can get. And similar to this video I will try to provide you the video for NIT, Triple IT and GFTI college also, and I will provide you a special video for PWD candidate, that will contain all type of college and rank versus expected college. It is NIT, Triple IT and GFTI and IITs as well, that you can get up to the 6th round. So here I will consider all type of category, that is general, EWS, OBC, SC, ST, and I will consider all type of branch, that is CSC, electrical and any lower branch, and I will consider all type of IIT, that is top 5, top 10 and lower IIT, how much rank you should have at least in order to get those branches up to the last round. So if you are first to my channel, please try to subscribe this channel so that you will get all the update regarding JOSA counseling and CSEB counseling and other counseling or other entrance exam also in this channel only. So before starting this video, I would like to inform you that if you need counseling guidance, that means whether you should go with lower IIT or good NIT, or whether you should go with the lower IIT with CS branch or top IIT with lower branch, so all those things needs a detailed discussion. So if you want those type of counseling guidance, or if you are doing any other counseling such as Comet K, KCET or MST CET or Jack Delhi, Jack Chandigarh counseling, you can take my guidance. Once you register with me, I will guide you for everything from now till your admission is done, so that you won't have to regret later after joining a wrong college. So if you want counseling guidance, then only try to contact me, because I have provided my Insta and WhatsApp only for complete counseling guidance, and I will be with you from now till your admission is done once you register with me. So let's start this video. So here is the rank versus expected IITs 2021 that you can expect up to the 6th round. As I told you earlier that the CS related branch cutoff will go lower than the earlier year. That means lower means the low rank. So here is the first one, that is if you want top 5 IIT with CS branch and you are from general category, then your rank should be under 350, and if you are a female then it will be under 1000. For EWS it will be 65 and 300 rank, that is male and female, and for OBC it will be 180 and 550 rank, and SC 110 and 400 rank, and for ST it is 60 and 250 rank. There is a little bit decrement in the cutoff from last year because this is the CS branch that is most demandable nowadays. So next, if you talk about top 5 IIT with electrical branch, then for general it is 2000 and 4.8,000, and for EWS 350 and 800 rank, and for OBC 900 and 2.3,000 rank. If your rank is little bit higher, that is 10 or 20 rank, then also you might get the seat. But if you have done the better counseling, that means if you have done the better choice filling and you have set the priority in a correct manner, then only because I know so many students who have done the mistake in the counseling, but the student who have done it correctly or have taken the advice from my experienced person, there is so many students who are registered with me. I have done the counseling of those students, and regularly I am guiding those students, because counseling is not only about choice filling or choice arrangement. It is also about the decision making, whether you should go with this college or that college, whether you should go with top IIT with lower branch or lower IIT with good branch, that is CS branch, or you should go with NIT with good branch. So all those things needs a detailed discussion, and it is possible only when you contact me separately, so that we will have a separate discussion and I will guide you so that you can get into the right college. And for SC it is 500 and 1.2,000, and ST 300 and 500 rank. So next, if you talk about top 5 IIT with any possible branch, so before going forward for this video, I would like to inform you one thing, that is top 5 IIT are having huge number of branch available. That's why the cutoff for any possible branch is so much higher rank, that is up to 13,000 and 22,000 also you can get in if you are from general candidate. And for EWS it is 2,000 and 4,000, that is the category rank, and for OBC it is 6 and 10,000, and for SC it is 3.3 and 6,000, and for ST it will be 1.6 and 2.4,000. That is the expected cutoff up to 6th round. Don't be confused, I am just providing you the expected cutoff so that you can estimate yourself which type of IIT with which branch you are going to get up to the 6th round. So please don't call or message me to just ask whether I will get or not. That's why I'm providing you this video. If you need counseling guidance, then only contact me, because it is not possible for me to provide the opinion on call for 7,000 students. Once you register with me, I will be there to help you in everything, and whenever you will have the doubt, you can call me so that we will have the discussion at that time only. So next, if you talk about top 10 IIT with CSE branch, then if you are from general, your rank should be under 1.4 thousand and 3,000 for female, And for EWS it is 150 and 500, OBC 500 and 1.6 thousand, and for SC it is 270 and 800, and for ST it will be 150 and 300. There will be not so much change particularly in CS branch if you go up to 6th round, then also because very less a student will leave the CS branch and take another branch. So for CSE branch there will not so much variation in the cutoff, but in the other branches there will be so much variation up to the last round. Next, if you talk about top 10 IIT with electrical branch, then for general it will be 4,000 and 9,000 for male and female, and for EWS it will be 550 and 1.3 thousand, and for OBC it will be 1.8 and 4.5 thousand, and for SC it will be 1.2 and 2,000, and for ST it is 600 and 700 rank for male and female. So next, if you talk about top 10 IIT with any possible branch, then your ranks would be 14 and 24,000 for general candidate, and for EWS 2.5 and 5,000, for OBC 6.5 and 11,000, and for SC it will be 4 and 4.5 thousand, and for ST it will be 2 and 3,000. So next, if you talk about any IIT, that is the lower IIT such as IIT Dharwad, IIT Mandi, IIT Jammu, so this type of IIT, if you are looking at with CS branch, then your ranks would be 5.5 and 10,000 for general candidate, and for EWS it is 800 and 2,000, for OBC 2.5 and 5,000, and for SC it will be 1.3 and 2,000, and for ST it is 700 and 1,000. So next, if you talk about any IIT with any possible branch, that means you just want to get into the IITs, then your ranks should be 15,000 and 25,000 for male and female, and for EWS 4 and 6,000. For OBC it will be 7 and 11,000, for SC 4.5 and 5,000, and for ST it will be 2.5 and 3.5 thousand. So this is all about this video. Here I have provided you the detailed information regarding the rank versus expected IIT up to the 6th round of JOSA Counseling 2021. So similar type of video I will provide you for NIT, IIIT and JFTI college as well. So please try to subscribe this channel so that you will get that video very soon in this channel only. And for PWD candidate also I will try to provide you a separate video. So one more time I would like to inform you that if you need counseling guidance for this counseling or CSEB counseling or any other counseling that you are doing across India, you can contact me through Instagram or WhatsApp number. Once you register with me, I will guide you for everything, that is whether you should go with this college or that college, what is best for you, because every student have different type of rank and different type of personal interest. So it needs a detailed discussion. So once you register, then only it will be possible. So if you want, you can contact me through Instagram or WhatsApp number available in the description box. So thanks again for watching this video. Please try to subscribe.